My name is Darren Hamilton with a registration number 05 DKA2-S2 So today I'm gonna talk about safety and health in handling society issue. What does it mean here? It means here occupational health and safety applies explicitly to services, rules and procedure that safeguard the safety, welfare and health of any individual involved in our daily life. And next is safety and health between workers. Workers have interests in the success of the program, in a secure and stable workplace, and well-being is the responsibility of everybody. Keep employees informed about safety inspection, injuries, and illness statistics, and other safety related issues. Next is safety and health in society. Safety and health performance should be calculated, monitored, and evaluated by the organization. Active self-monitoring show how well the framework of protection and health management operates. Both hardware and software are analyzed through self-monitoring. Reactive monitoring should be done if all those control are fails. Next is safety and health to environment. In the case of safety, the resources are human. Without protecting the safety, health and welfare, one of the most vital resources that is worker, the organization cannot be sustained or sustainable for a long time period. The safety and health in the workplace may currently be recognized in sustainable strategy, but it is important, but it is rarely emphasized. And it's important of protections and healings of any organizations. So thank you.
Hello, my name is Melvi Bagimanganatingau and my metric card number is 05 DKA19F2077. Today I'm going to explain the roles of engineer. There are two roles, which is EIM and BEM. The function of EIM and BEM are intended to be complementary and have been developed to prevent duplication. IEM is in status as a competent institution. In the recent year, more than 300 technical skills, talks, courses and workshop, forum and conference has been held, all for the advantage and constant growth of engineers, including workshop or forums or different government department and authorities is in which really helpful. Besides that, engineer is one of the key influence that shapes our society. Engineers don't just work with machine, design and electronics. They use maths and science to provide innovation and invention that shape our society and improve the way we live and work. Engineers also have responsibility and also have great opportunity to ensure that we have a positive influence in society. Now I'm going to explain to you the role of IOW, Civil Engineering Technician. Civil engineering design, build and maintain the foundation for our modern society. Civil engineering touches us throughout our day. Think of a civil engineering when you turn on the tap to take shower or drink clean water, flick on your light and open your refrigerator. A comfortable home free from many danger. A road structure and bridge design that brings safety to us in road. That's all civil engineering work. Now for role of safety health officer. An important role of the workplace health and safety officer is prevention. By working with planners and engineers that can be built in the design of conveyor belts and industrial equipment. The safety officer goal is to protect employees while also reducing the employer's culpability in workplace injury claims and lawsuits. Now is for the role of management of organization, or can be said by company. Workers to work together to accomplish goal of an organization. Management including planning, scheduling, staffing, guiding, or controlling and managing an organization to achieve an positive objective. Organizational design is largely a function based on system thinking. System thinking involves identifying the moving part within an organization that add value and ensuring that these parts function together as an effective and efficient whole organization.
Morning, my name is Isaac Sinai Anak Shaisli. My matrix number is 05 DKA2-S2 and today I will be talking about green technology in construction industry. Green technology in the construction industry involve producing new buildings that incorporate one or more aspects of environmentally friendly solutions. Building greens has raised the bar for the housing industry in its entirety by establishing new standards for reliability and sustainability. Next, we'll talk about GPS or GIS. GPS construction tools have a range of benefits both for workers and managers. For workers, it helps them streamline their efficiency, validates their locations and performance, and keep them safer on the job site. For managers, GPS tracking helps them hold workers accountable, stay on time and budget, and maximize profit. Next, software. Construction software has the power to transform an average project team into a successful team. The project manager won't spend too much time searching for relevant information because all applicable data will be at his fingertips. With more organized and efficient business data, projects can be completed much quicker, which allow business to take on even more jobs toward future. BIM. Utilizing BIM for constructions for professional allows them to view the models of the projects and extensive virtual tour to know the impact it lays to the surrounding. It helps the planning stage to construction process stage and prevent measures to harmless building effects. With accurate data and information about models, all the purpose plan on the system can be worked. A few things to add before I end my speech is energy efficient applications. Energy efficient constructions is a safe bet and creates a dependency from the fluctuations in energy costs. Rehouse system solutions cover all three pillars of energy efficiency, creating efficiency with and energy losses. Energy efficient applications is the utilizations of less energy to provide the same service. Auditing energy uses and providing recommendations on more efficient technologies and practices, improving the operations and maintenance of transportation, building, and industrial equipment. Lastly, we talk about communications. Communications is simply the exchange of information in order to convey a message. In good communications involve being able to transmit your message so it is received and understood by the intended recipient. Effective communication is vital to the successful completion of any construction project. Good communication can improve teamwork and lead to a better project collaborations. That is all from me. Thank you for listening. Thank you.
And lastly, it is our summary. Our summary is the well-being of both workers and employers. Occupational health and safety procedure are critical because human loss is immeasurable and intolerable. One of the main forces that shape our culture is engineering, or what we call is engineer. Not only do engineers of computers design, they use maths and science to have creativity in electronics. Green construction site technologies will avoid earth-based emissions. Many types of principles or services that can be used on the building site, and it will lighten the staff burden. The culture that can make society more pleasant in its surrounding. Living in the same place is happier than working. The participations of all those involved in a project in the creations of successful form of communications, as a communication failure cannot only have time delays and cost overrun, but it can damage the credibility of an organizations or even bring financial ruins in organizations. So that's all for me, Darren Hamilton, with a registration number 05 DKA 19F 2031. Thank you very much.